Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Blooket account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. You will now be taken into its official website where you can log in by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and then using your credentials. Now, once you are logged in to your account, you will be taken to your home page. Now, from the home page, you can either click on the settings button at the bottom left corner, which is the gear icon, or you can click on the drop-down menu from your account at the top right corner and click on settings. Now, from the settings page, you will find the delete account option underneath edit info section at the very end. Simply go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked to enter your password to confirm deleting your account. Just go ahead and type in your Blooket password and then click on the delete button and your account will successfully be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Blooket. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.